Hello and welcome to the crochet tutorial for blanket Lotus. In this part of the tutorial you will find instructions for rounds 8, 9 and 10. We start round 8 with color B with a standing front post single crochet around any cluster of 3 triple crochets. It's always in the middle of the group of 3 clusters. We can select any group. I think I will take this one. So we start our round with a front loop single crochet around the cluster. And then 4 single crochets in chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Front post single crochet around next cluster of 2 triple crochets. Single crochet in chain 1. Front post single crochet around next stitch. Single crochet in chain 1. Front post single crochet around the cluster. 4 single crochets in chain 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and a single crochet around the cluster. Our first repetition is done. As you can see, around every cluster we are making front post single crochet and also around single crochet of round 7. And in chain spaces we make 4 single crochets in chain 3 space and 1 single crochet in chain 1. Let's do one more repeat so you will be able to finish this round all by yourself. So 4 single crochets in chain 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Front post single crochet around the cluster. Single crochet in chain 1. Front post single crochet around single crochet of round 7. Single crochet in chain 1. Front post single crochet around the cluster. 4 single crochets in chain 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and front post single crochet around the cluster. Okay, here we are. Meet you at the end of the round. Here we are. Our last elements were 4 single crochets in chain 3 space, and we finished this round with a slip stitch in the first front post single crochet. Round 8 is ready. We don't cut the yarn. Round 9 we'll make of the same color. Round 9, color B. The same color. Actually, in this round, the shape of our work will be changing. At the end of the round, it will be nearly a nice circle. So, chain 1, it doesn't count as a stitch. Single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet in the next one. Half double crochet in the next stitch. And now we will be making 2 double crochets together over next 2 stitches. So this is our first leg of the stitch, unfinished double crochet, and the second leg, unfinished double crochet, and now together. Done. Double crochet in the next stitch and triple crochet over next 3 stitches. It will be in single crochet made in chain 1, front post single crochet and single crochet in chain 1. So first triple crochet, second triple crochet, the third triple crochet, then single crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in this stitch, 2 double crochets together over next 2 stitches, the first leg unfinished double crochet, the second leg unfinished double crochet, and now the top. The stitch is ready. Half double crochet in the next stitch and single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Our first repetition is done. Let's make one more. Single crochet in next stitch, half double crochet in the next one, 2 double crochets together over next 2 stitches. So this is the first leg of the stitch, the second and the top. Ready. Double crochet in the next stitch and 3 triple crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. They will be always in these 3 stitches of every repetitions. Single crochet in chain 1, front post single crochet and single crochet in chain 1. Okay, first triple crochet, the second one and the third one. Okay, 3 triple crochets in 3 stitches are done. Double crochet in next stitch, 2 double crochets together over next 2 stitches. So we have the first leg of the stitch, the second leg, and now finished. Half double crochet in the next one and single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Okay, here we are. 2 repetitions are done. See you at the end of the round. Here we are. Our last element is single crochet, and we finish round with slip stitch in the first single crochet. Ready. Here we are, and our work, as you can see, becomes a circle. We don't cut the yarn because round 10 will be making of the same color. Round 10, color B, same color. Chain 2, it doesn't count as a stitch. Half double crochet in the same stitch. Done. Half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. 2 half double crochets in next stitch. 1, 2. Half double crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 half double crochets in next stitch. 1, 2. Half double crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Our first repetition is done. As you can see, in this round we are only making half double crochets, and we are making 2 half double crochets only on top of 2 double crochets together of around 9. This will be easier for you to make these stitches. Let's make one more repetition together. Half double crochet in next 2 stitches. 1, 2. 2 half double crochets in next stitch. 1, 2. Half double crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 half double crochets in next stitch. This is actually our 2 double crochets together. 1, 2, and half double crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 repetitions are done, and I'm pretty sure you will be able to finish this round all by yourself. Meet you at the end of the round. Here we are, and we finish this round with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet, skipping to chain 2, the starting one. Okay, slip stitch into first half double crochet, and we are all set. In the next part of the tutorial we will be making rounds 11 and 12. Happy stitching! Sorry, forgot to say fasten off and secure the ends, cause next round will be made of another color. Bye bye.